Hello! This video is a collaborative project of the University of Washington and Waseda University Joint Center for Teaching, Learning, and Technology. This video series explores ways to apply the research on learning to teaching. The purpose is to help faculty learn research-based teaching strategies that will help them reflect on and develop their teaching.
The series is based on the book written by Susan Ambrose and her colleagues at Carnegie Mellon University. The title of the book is How Learning Works: 7 Research-Based Principles for Smart Teaching. Each video in this series has focused on a different principle from the book.
The 7 principles of learning covered in the book are: Number 1, students' prior knowledge can help or hinder learning.
Number 2, how students organize knowledge influences how they learn and apply what they know.
Number 3, students' motivation determines, directs, and sustains what they do to learn.
Number 4, to develop mastery, students must acquire component skills, practice integrating them, and know when to apply what they have learned.
Number 5, goal-directed practice coupled with targeted feedback enhances the quality of students' learning.
Number 6, students' current level of development interacts with the social, emotional, and intellectual climate of the course to impact learning.
And number 7, to become self-directed learners, students must learn to monitor and adjust their approaches to learning.
In this video, the last one in the series, we will discuss this conclusion chapter and the book as a whole. The goals of this video are to synthesize the key points of the conclusion chapter and to hear from our colleagues at Waseda University and the University of Washington about the ways in which reading How Learning Works has helped them reflect on their own teaching.
Reading about the 7 principles of learning, it has become clear that the 7 principles can explain and predict a wide range of learning behavior and phenomena, and hence aid in the design of courses and pedagogy.
Obstacles to students' learning are often the result of interacting intellectual, social, and emotional factors.
The 7 principles work together to address these interactions, and techniques for implementing them often overlap. For example,
Collecting data about students, modeling expert practice, scaffolding complex tasks by breaking them down into component parts, providing ample opportunity for practice and feedback, and being explicit about objectives and expectations.
but perhaps most importantly, the 7 principles of learning can be applied to teaching.
Just as we as instructors can apply the findings about the 7 principles to help our students learn more effectively, we can also apply them to help ourselves learn better about teaching.
1. Our prior knowledge about teaching affects how we learn and grow as instructors.
2. How we organize knowledge about teaching affects how we teach. For example, we can aim to organize knowledge not around the course and its content, but around students' learning of that content.
3. Our motivation to improve our teaching affects how we teach and can be enhanced through time spent on value-added practices, for example, the creation of rubrics.
4. To develop mastery in teaching, we need to acquire component skills, integrate them, and apply them appropriately. For example, the component skills of facilitating a successful discussion.
5. We can create goal-directed practice to enhance our teaching and gather feedback on these practices from students throughout the term to improve them.
6. Our current level of development as teachers interacts with the social, emotional, and intellectual teaching climate in our departments to impact our learning and growth as instructors.
And 7. For self-directed learning in our teaching, we need to assess the learning of our students, evaluate our own skills in helping students learn, monitor our progress by gathering feedback, and adjust our teaching strategies when needed.
We have read 7 chapters about the 7 principles of learning, and we have compiled a video about each principle. In this concluding video, we asked our group of educators the following question. In what ways has the conclusion of the book, How Learning Works, helped you reflect on your teaching?